Philippines, and that I impose this obligation upon myself that at all times and places I will adhere closely to the ethical standards and professional roles of teachers in the Philippines and in the world. And that I will faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties and obligations incumbent upon a legally authorized professional teacher. So help me God. Congratulations, new professional teachers. And now, for the dearly awaited event, take out your LPP pin, but don't pin it on yourself. Please face your seatmate and pin on each other the LPP pin, witnessing to each other your allegiance to the Philippines and to the profession.
Teaching me how to feel, showing me my emotions, letting me know what's real from what is not. What I got is more than I ever hoped for, and a lot of what I hoped for is thanks to you. No mountain, no valley, no time, no space, no heartache, no heartbreak, no power of grace can stop me from believing that my love will pull me through, thanks to you.
Congratulations once again, newly minted licensed professional teachers. Give yourselves another round of applause.